What's going on, everybody? It's Carlos here once again from Premier Cuts, and today we have another video. This video is a unboxing of a company which I've been using for a couple months now. I just haven't really shown off the clipper, never did an unboxing. There's a reason for that, but I have the Ergos. Now those have become my favorite clipper. Just gonna say it right now, they have become my favorite clipper. I know you guys know that this channel reviews a lot of off-brand stuff, but the truth is, before any off-brand clippers were around, they were the name brand, and Gamma has introduced themselves into this world, into the industry, into a heavy hitter. So I've started to use them, and there's a reason why sometimes you want to pay a little extra, and we're gonna get into that. But right now we have the StyleCraft Rebel. I had to get my hands on this. Like I said, I have the Ergo Plus, and I love those. And I wanted to see if that combination of the Ergos with the Rebel, how well they would work in my workflow. I still use all the other stuff. I still do this test. You guys know that. But again, I have other popular brand name clippers that I use. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I use these stuff still in my workflow on a regular basis. So yeah, I do have the Andes Master, and there's something I want to talk about this, but that'll be for another video. For right now, we're just gonna unbox this guy. We're gonna go through some of the things that this thing has to offer. A lot of people want to know this has a 7200 RPM DC rotary motor. It's quite powerful. Dual magnetic guards, so their premium guards come with this. We have USB mini, rechargeable, so it has the USB capability of plugging in. That's great because you pretty much have USB everywhere. Black diamond carbon DLC blade. Have 3 interchangeable custom body kits, so you know, you could see on the box right here you have pink, blue, and all black. 3-hour cordless runtime, which I think is fantastic. Plus it has a charging stand, so you know, unless you're traveling with this, you know, the 3 hours won't really make a difference. But if you are using them on the go a lot, then that 3 hours is going to come in big. It's going to come in clutch. Super torque motor. Again, that's the rotary motor it's using at 7200 RPMs. Adjustable zero gap blade. Tighten or strengthen taper length mode. So pretty much it comes with an extended bracket and a customizable click or freestyle lever. And that is what it says about it. So let's open this guy up. One of the things I do want to say about Gamma is their presentation is always something that I'm a fan of. I think that they have really understood that packaging does sell. Where did that I want to say that came from a company like Apple, when they just designed their stuff, and just even the unboxing experience was always a good thing. So I think Gamma has done a great job in following that suit. Yes, you have the pictures, you have what comes in, and as you see, we have what's in this box. So let's open this up. Let's move this aside. Let's see what we got. Comes with charging dock, which I think is amazing, because I think every clipper at this point should give you the option to have a charging dock, because to be honest, it, one, declutters your station, and two, it provides you with a constant charge. So having this is huge. They give you the tool. Here are the, I believe these are magnetic. These are magnetic. Yep, these are the magnetic guards. We'll go through them. Give you 2 sets here. It looks like it's 2 sets, or it's just the bigger guards and then the smaller guards. Here is a USB. Yeah, it's USB. I would have liked this to be USB Type C, but it's not. So this is what we have, USB regardless. This is the other charging brick here, which will easily be fitted onto, make sure this is in the, yep. So you can easily connect it to the charging port, or you can connect it to the machine itself. Moving this stuff aside, you have interchangeable levers. So if you're using the blue, you can rock the blue with it. You got the clicks here, the whole 9 yards, and then you have the stretch bracket with oil, and it looks like a little brush. Also comes with screws, so if you obviously you want to be able to use this with interchangeable parts. It comes with the extra screws you want. This looks like documentation, warranty, whatnot. So put all this back here real quick, and let's get into the box. The main part, the clipper itself, what we are here to see. All right, so first plate is the black. You guys can take a look at this. Looks very nice. I might start it out with this, but we'll see for now. I like this because it kind of matches my channel colors. You guys know I have that kind of channel color. Again, these are great. And then the star of the show is obviously the clipper itself. So let's take this guy out. Let's move this aside over here. And then let's take it out of this bag. Hopefully it comes with some charge. And then let's take a walk through around it. I already see it has some of the oil and the grease, which is good. Comfort in hand, first impressions. It's a lightweight clipper. There's the clicks right there. Obviously you got the blue, you have the thumb imprint right here, so it's good, and it's not like a skinny or just a small. Gives you a lot of workspace to work with your thumb, so depending on your hand positioning, you have that there, which is nice, very comfortable. You have a LED light indicator. I really wish that they would have put an LED readout with percentage, like you've seen in my previous videos, because I think these other companies, these other brands, these off brands seem to put that in almost all their clippers, and I think these bigger brands should do the same thing. Now we look here and we can see where the charging cable would go, but you also have right here where you have the USB. Now I wish it was USB-C, but it's not, so got to get what we get. The back, we got some information, 5 volt to 6 watts, designed in USA, assembled in China. And I believe that they are actually in my area of Florida, where one of their home bases is, so that's really nice. Let's take out the guard, and we have, it comes with the StyleCraft Fusion blade. Anybody who's used this knows that this is really good. And one of the things I love about Gamma, like I said, I've been using them for a couple months now, and one of the things that I love about them is in their bracket. I myself love the Andy Masters. I love them, okay? And they have teamed up with, I'm not sure who it is, but they've teamed up with where the bracket, you can put the 2 holes for, in fact, let's just show you right here. This actual blade off, and we can show you the actual two extra holes that allow you to put a Andy Master blade on it, which is what I did with my ergos. I have the Andy Master blade on it, and it's just crazy the performance you get out of that. Let's just say that they made a better Masters than the Masters, and unless you've used it, you're really not gonna understand what I'm talking about. But I'll do that in a video. Now again, I wish that this had the magnetic motor that the ergos have. It doesn't. That's fine. This motor's still strong. This is comparable, they say, to like having a Masters. I would really want to hear the sound, but obviously I don't have the capability. Unless, you know what, hold on. The light indicator is on. Let's turn it on. The mic's over there, it's gonna be hard, but sounds like a very powerful motor. All in all, I'm happy. I have this machine. I'm gonna be doing lots of cuts with it and see how it fits in my workflow, and I'll keep you guys posted. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. That's where you're gonna see a lot of the behind the scenes stuff. You can ask any questions you want, and look forward to more brand name clippers also coming to the channel, because I do have them and I do use them on a regular basis. Guys, thanks for tuning in. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.